A is for apple, red and round. Apple, apple. B is for ball, it bounces high. Ball. C is for cat, it says meow. Cat. D is for dog, it barks out loud. Dog. E is for elephant, big and gray. Elephant. F is for fish, it swims all day. Fish. G is for goat with a funny bleat. Goat. H is for hat worn on your head. Hat. I is for igloo made of ice. Jetty, glue. J is for jelly, wobbly and sweet. Jelly. K is for kite, flying so high. Kite. L is for lion, hear him roar. Lion. M is for monkey, swinging around. Monkey. N is for nest, where eggs are found. Nest. O is for octopus in the sea. Octopus. P is for pig, rolling in mud. Pig. Q is for queen, wearing a crown. Queen. R is for robot, beep and buzz. Robot. S is for sun, shining bright. Sun. T is for turtle, slow and green. Turtle. E is for umbrella in the rain. Prep umbrella. V is for violin, playing a song. Violin. W is for whale, oh beep and blue. What whale? X is for sun, planking a tune. Z, silent great. Z, xylophone. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. J, yo-yo. Z is for zebra with stripes so